Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to BKS Sports with Bongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Please don't forget to like and subscribing to the channel. Danko. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs really meant it when they said ukuthi khohlwa njengeidomi esikoleni. This transfer window we won't be making any signings. And now wonke umuntu sekaxolile has made peace. Even there are few people saying that Kaizer Chiefs still needs at least a player or two in order for them to increase their depth. But seeing Kaizer Chiefs sitting on position 2 on the log and trying by all means to grind for results, I'd say it was a good move for them not to sign. But logo kusho kona ukuthi we have to start now preparing for the June transfer window. Kusho ukuthi we should expect ama signings ngoJune, because today mazithi 0000 midnight iyavalwa i-transfer window. Kusho kona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs vele bebaqinisile mabethu we won't sign. Lokho kusitshelani, even if nesinkwa sethu semihla ngemihla ama free agents asinanandaba nawo. Mihla limayambela a statement came out ukuthi he is a free agent, and Kaizer Chiefs have been eyeing this player for a while now. Naye wa confirm ukuthi no, there were links but nothing materialized because he still had ama ambition to stay in Europe and offer something to iLimassol le Cyprus kule league yakhona. But uthe nje azange kuphela mshona 1 hour free agent kuqiqi, he has already signed for another club based in Cyprus. That club, it is called Omonia Nicosia. Cabanga a player usuka ku position 4 uya ku team ku position 1, and he signed a 2.5 deal. Simply means ukuthi phela 2028 since well ana 29 years manje. Kusho kona ukuthi mazithi 2028 yoba na 31 already benchmark yoba sekayireachile, angeke asabe that productive. So I'd say good logo vele mele nje sikudlulise, because even the Kaizer Chiefs, if they had to make ama signings maybe for now, yeah, but look at the age yakhe and look at their project, ziya clash. They'd rather opt for a player like not Uspecihle Ndlovu but Usiyanda Ndlovu from Golden Arrows because of the age. But now obvious nangapha bikuyoba yazi mos ukuthi player malibuye Europe malize emzansi, obvious salary package ithi ukuthi. But for Kaizer Chiefs, I'd say ukuthi they're still gonna rely on players like abo Claude Lilepo, abo Velepai, Mfundo Vilakazi. But yena behangaba i-additional right because besovele simthathe uMdodai, not uMdodai but uMfundo Vilakazi uPepper 2 simbeke ku position 10 permanently, because now uloka vacator ahambe uLilepo abuye futhi kule side la right, and it's few of our players that play in the same side whereby ukuthi they are using that foot. If you are a left foot playing on the left, if you are a right foot playing on the right, but it's only uLilepo that is productive makaku right playing as with the right foot. Usiyanda Ndlovu na is productive as a winger playing ku right ngoba udlala ngo right. Even Umureme na is productive, but other players prefer ukuthi badlale on the opposite side of the foot that they are using so that they can cut inside and score some goals. Lilepo, what he did yesterday kusazokhulunywa ngakuthi was it a goal or it was a cross, but at the end of the day once the ball gets inside the net it is a goal. Singasho nje ukuthi it was a cross to a goal, crossing the goal. Asazi between the two, because abanye bakhala ngokuthi how come can you make a cross kungenabantu eboxini? Bekakhona uSilva lapha, but for the destination bengeke afike lapha. But into ebalekile ukuthi we scored that goal. So ke sakhuluma ngama wingers imihlali vele asikhohla. I don't think ukuthi na in future uzobuya nje ebuye natural, not unless Kaizer Chiefs will have other plans, especially Terra Maliwa, because he's the one that is responsible for a recruitment. But the person that must approve first it is uKaizer Junior, the sporting director, ukuthi hayi siyamsayina lo leyo simsayine lona uzokwazi ukudlala ku-Chiefs, is the quality of i-Chiefs. This is not. But let's talk about another player. I think ukuthi he can add something to i-Chiefs. It's a pity nje i-Chiefs isitshelile ukuthi no, angeke sisayine muntu, i-transfer window, but bekuyoba i-good opportunity for them. Maybe naye crossing the bridge from esigodini sikaMamenzela from Orlando Pirates eze ngapha eNaturena ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Khuluma ngo-Lisanda, tall defender that is ambipedal, can play with the left, can play with the right. And mawuthi uyabheka into engamenza ukuthi even if Kaizer Chiefs were looking to sign him, bawubheka i-record yakhe yama-injuries, babheka ukuthi no man, lento leni ngasikhawatha in the long run, because we are still dealing with this situation ngaRushin Dudley. But uMcCarthy seems like ukuthi that space ukwazile ukusivala, because they are both Rolls Royce. Even Undana, he's comfortable on the ball, but Gunda, one thing about him, it has height iyobe izosiza and positional awareness ayibuzwa ke laphana. So yena ke i-age isavuma kakhulu, he's 27 years. Lokho kusho kona ukuthi if Kaizer Chiefs are looking to reinforce their defense, because I believe ukuthi uThabo Mloisane usayinile contract uthi Kaizer Chiefs i-pre-contract, so mazithi June siyamlanda, so kusho ukuthi sizoba nenye i-right center back. It's going to be Miguel Msimango. I don't know if bazomrenewela ukunika, siyambala na ukunika, and kuzoba uMloisane. But left center back, it's only two players. It's McCarthy and Rushin Dudley. But McCarthy can also be used as a left back. But for Chiefs, another thing that they would try to consider if they can bring a defender, a foreign code, because you have one space available and they want to use that space especially for a forward player. Doesn't matter if it's a striker, a winger, or an attacking midfield, because that's where their priority will be, especially since our defense is solid at the back. So the only thing that they will need to reinforce is the striking department or the forward department, so that you can get the goals. But for Unda, yeah, I think a good acquisition from Kaizer Chiefs, because vele I think it's inevitable now ukuthi every season mele kube ne player elcrossa i-bridge. It's either silithatha ku-Sundowns or lithatha ku-Orlando Pirates, as we've seen with uPaseka Mako and uThabiso Monyane, whom I believe ukuthi they did fit in like a glove in the system of Ukaze Khalil Paul, because Monyane kuma game awadlalile for Kaizer Chiefs, he haven't lost a match. Kushoni ke lokho, because we see ukuthi he's very good when it comes to defending, something that I thought ukuthi uzostruggle ngayo, because he enjoys going forward more than coming back to defend. But now they are using him as a right back, not as a right wing back. That's what gives the club. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Mihlali mayambela vele sekahambile, but for Olisanda, can there be an exception? Maybe with ISO's Bonnie Tracker, because we have many of them, but ezinye zazo maya ngazathi they are struggle, because I was watching uKhanyisa Mayo in these past two games versus Zesco and Marumo Gallants. Hey man, angazi ukuthi usindwa yini kahle kahle, because you can see ukuthi he easily gets tired, and that is worrying for him, because obviously Kaizer Chiefs is in a situation whereby ukuthi vele mele bamsign, it's an obligation to buy. But then in terms of expectations and the input and the performance, he hasn't lived up to the standard that you know him of. Maybe it's the style of play that makes him to struggle. But the coaches did mention something important. The reason why he's trying to find his form, and they will try everything within their power to make it their responsibility ukuthi athula ama goals lawo mela wakora, because khona ibhola limixed izola was like how uKhanyisa Mayo lona omixed umhlabathi ngepiki amepha phezu kwawo, kulapho ngibona khona. But ngasho nje, it's still early to criticize. For now we need to support the Giants. And I like how Amakhosi faithfuls are humble these days. When people are saying no, Count Kaizer Chiefs are off ugwini league, vele abaphiki, they are saying no, vele our aim ukuthi singene top 8. Lezi zama league sizoziyekela kwabantu abajwayele ukucompete, but that in the brain it creates something good. Okay, let's rule them out, but they are in the chasing pack. Lokho kusho kodwa ukuthi let them think that you cannot offer anything, babakurule out. But when uloku push nje ugrind about the way they are doing things, that's how it will make it even more interesting if they get something prestigious this season. It's either a trophy, Nedbank or Bawuni League or a CAF Confederation. But winning games, it is far more important than playing beautiful football that doesn't give you results. So what they are doing, it is a good thing. Just in your good to get inside the pitch, you absorb the pressure, you see what is happening, read the game. One chance nje, you pound, because you know ukuthi I am over. It's the wall of Beijing. Akudlulwa lapho isinoma kanjani. Makudluliwe kusho ukuthi asuke slightly timing ne focus. But the good thing is that ngalama 1-0 siloku siyaqhubeka nje, siloku siyahamba. It is a good thing ukubona ilog ime the way ime ngakhona, because it is important ukuthi the big 3 ba compete lapha. Hopefully ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs won't lose a momentum. Cause Alphele moya. Danko.